Hey everyone. Hey, in this video, I want to talk to you about how we can expand on a niche. So we know specializing in a niche is like honing in and learning all about and specializing in moving a product, if you will. And what makes sense to me, you can look at it in two ways. A niche can be niching down using moving freight with this type of trailer, this trailer type, and also this type of product. So it can mean both of those, right? I've specialized in moving freight on flatbeds or specialize in freight moving in dry vans, right? Or reefer trucks. But it also can be I specialize in moving ice cream, right? In those reefer trucks, or I specialize in moving construction equipment or construction supplies, whether that be on a flatbed or dry van. So this video, I want to give you some thoughts and ideas on, yes, we want to niche down, and that means specializing in this particular area, but how can we expand on that as well? How can we almost diversify in that niche to basically expand within that niche, and which is the best takeaway of this video and the benefit when it comes to doing exactly this is during slow times in this product, on the other product, moving on the same trailer type, on these off days here, it can be on days here. So slow freight moving here, you can bet there's plenty of freight going on over here. For example, I specialize in moving equipment on flatbeds and hot shots. All right. So I'll move rental equipment. These are like excavators, oil field equipment, things of that nature. And so I can also, which I do and have and continue to, move pallets of grass. So both being moved on flatbeds, right? So I can still specialize in flatbed trucking, make those connections with carriers, but diversify from equipment, oil field equipment, to pallets of grass. So what happens is, in my own example, if one sector is slow or slower than usual, the other one typically picks up, right? So you're still moving loads if you diversify and expand on your niche. In this case, specialize in moving flatbeds and using hotshot trucks, whatever it may be that you're moving on those trucks, trailer types. So what's awesome is when grass is moving very well, maybe the oil field equipment is just a tad slower. And so they balance each other out. So you're still moving freight, but if I was just stuck on moving grass and it was not the season or it's just slow, then there's no other area that I'm doing moving other types of freight to pick up on that. And what's cool is, like I said, my own example, when one is a little slow, the other one is picking up. So it's like I'm still moving freight consistently daily. And that's how you want to look at how we can not only specialize in that niche, but expand and diversify within it. So whether you're specializing in reefer trucks and you move this type of product, maybe that's only in season for, the first quarter of the year. And so you would want to look at other products, maybe that go throughout the year, not just, that specific product that's only busy half of the year. So that's what this video is all about. That's how you want to diversify and expand within your niche. So even slow days here, over here, it's picking up for that slowness, and you're still consistently moving a good number of loads each day. All right. I'm Alex Casadell. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next video.